You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add money on your CashApp without a debit card. Now, if you don't have a debit card, you don't have to worry about it. You can use your bank account in order to transfer money into your CashApp. But just remember this, if you don't have a bank account, you only have a credit card, then you can't use it, because in order to use credit card and CashApp, you need to link a debit card first, alright? So for bank account, you don't have to link a debit card, but for using credit card, you need to link your debit card. So yeah, the only way around if you don't want to use a debit card is your bank account. So let me show you the process. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, open your CashApp and click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, go on where it says linked banks. Once you come over here, click on link debit card. Now once you click on it, you want to choose no card since we don't have a debit card. So click on no card and wait for some time. It's going to take a bit of time for it to load up. And over here, click on where it says continue. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to choose which type of bank you use. So for this video's reason, I'm going to choose Wells Fargo. Once I click on it, it's going to ask me to verify I'm a human. So click on I'm not a robot. Now once you're over here, click on continue. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the bank detail. And after entering your bank details, your bank is going to be connected with your CashApp. Once your bank is connected with CashApp, you can withdraw money from your bank and transfer it into your CashApp to send money to other friends or do anything in CashApp. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can add money without debit card on CashApp. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.